Learn how to create this graffiti-style lettering using the Ultimate Lettering Toolbox Graffiti set. Hi, I'm Nico Ng, and I'll be guiding you through the process, sharing the brushes used in each step. You can watch the full video for an overview or follow along pausing at each step to create alongside me. To start, let's create a fresh canvas. I've chosen the screen size for this exciting artwork. Sketch various graffiti styles of your chosen quote while exploring the different brushes in this pack. Continue until you find the one that suits your preference. For this project, I've selected the street marker brush. Write and rewrite your letters until you are satisfied with the outcome, ensuring proper letter spacing. Let's move to coloring the strokes. Lower the opacity of your sketch to serve as a guide while we trace over the strokes with colors. Create a new layer for each color. Using the same brush, select a color and trace over random strokes of your graffiti lettering. Switch to another color and trace over random strokes on a new layer. Repeat this process until you have completed the lettering piece, approximately 9 different colors. Enhance the stroke's fullness by duplicating the layer about 4 to 5 times and merging the layers with the same colors. You can rearrange the layers to prioritize specific colors you want on the top layer. Add a secondary color splatter to the brush strokes by creating a new layer above each stroke layer with clipping mask turned on. Choose a color from the adjacent stroke and use the grainy blaster brush to recolor portions of the brush strokes with a paint splatter effect. Repeat this process until all the strokes are colored. Introduce some paint splatters around the new bottom layer using the colors you've already used for your lettering. Use the Urban Solid Round brush to add colored spots on selected brush strokes. Use the same brush to draw colorful directional strokes over certain brush strokes. Then use the Fade Swoosh Detailer brush to add more colorful directional strokes outside your letters. For an additional artistic touch, use the Heavy Paint Sneeze stamps to add colorful paint splatters behind your lettering. Let's incorporate more engaging details into this lettering with the Geode Outliner brush. Draw short segments on random edges of the letters. Bring them to the background layer and color them randomly. Create a smudge paint effect on some of the stroke edges. Use the Stormy Graph brush to brush random edges with the same color. Now, enhance your lettering with small, fun white strokes by drawing tiny rings, plus signs, dots, and curved lightning strokes using the stroke outliner. Then add a bit more white splatter using the Spray Graph brush below your lettering in areas that appear a bit empty. Lastly, create a Flemish brick wall pattern in the background and apply a smoky brunch texture stamp. Apply the colors and opacity until you achieve the desired graffiti wall effect. And we are done. Check out the other videos in this Ultimate Lettering Toolbox series and learn how to draw ink, chalk, vintage, retro sign, and watercolor lettering artworks. See you in the next video.